Cough it up, explained. English Phrases Unpacked. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, cough it up. This is a phrase you might come across in everyday conversations, movies, or books, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English comprehension. So, let's get started. Cough it up is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to urge someone to give something that is due or required. The phrase can be literal, like asking someone to cough up something stuck in their throat, but it's more often used metaphorically. For example, when someone is reluctant to pay money they owe, you might say, cough up the money. It's a way of saying, give me what you owe, in a somewhat informal and slightly forceful manner. The origin of this phrase is quite interesting. It comes from the literal action of coughing something up from your throat. Over time, it gained a metaphorical meaning, applying to situations where someone is expected to give up something, usually money or information, that they are reluctant to part with. It's important to note that cough it up is often used in casual or informal contexts and can sound a bit rude or commanding in formal situations. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. I know you have the information we need. Cough it up. The bill is due today, so you need to cough up the rent. After much persuasion, he finally coughed up the secret. These examples show how the phrase can be used to demand something, usually in a situation where the person is hesitant or delaying. And that's a wrap on the phrase, cough it up. Remember, it's a phrase best used in informal settings and can come across as a bit strong, so use it judiciously. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your understanding of English idioms and phrases. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.